Hey everybody, how's it going today? So we've got all three versions available of the accessory carabiner at WesSpur's Tree Equipment now. Everybody, well not everybody, but most everybody knows, about the original rated, what I call a micro-carabiner. We would use these for our connection points on our chest harness for our stationary rope walker systems. I use the same carabiner for locking the cam on my camp turbo foot ascender. Just a variety of applications for these, leashing the dogs, etc., creating redirects. One thing that I've always liked about this carabiner and its size is I'm not always, but if I have an aerial anchor system, a cambium saver for my climbing setup, it's 99% of the time a set of rings. I'm just a huge fan of using sets of rings. Lots you can do stationary canopy anchors for a stationary rope system. You can obviously, moving rope system. They retrieve really reliably from the tree. Multiple redirects, retrieval still possible with your stationary rope configuration. So, because I have bad luck and I forget things, if I'd hook this up wrong, this could open and snag on my big ring. So just having this accessory lock, as they call it, it's a screw gate carabiner, still the 4 kilonewton rating, mitigates that. So just that alone makes this a must-have. Now this is moved to be my foot ascender lock, because one of the things I'm not going to need anymore once I'm on the ground retrieving my rope system is the lock on the cam on my foot ascender. So this lives with me now. Then there's the Accessory Lock Captive, and you can see there, little captive bar. I've got this on my favorite saw lanyard. So all my treehouse building friends, this is going to be a great little connector for your tethers on your tools. I don't hesitate to have this on my saw leash. It's strong enough to support that 9-pound saw. Good to go with that. So we have three versions of the DMM accessory carabiner now. We've got the original non-locking version, the lock with the captive bar, and then we just have the regular accessory lock. Available at WesSpur's Tree Equipment. Thank you.